3ds Max is a software for architects and designers who require high quality skills and views which are not possible with manual drawings. There are two more important tools in 3ds Max. Those are lights and colors. There are several kinds of lights. Majorly used are plain light, mesh light, dome light, sunlight, IES light, free light, and photometric light. There are some shades like warm color and cool color. Warm color will be used in daytime, cool color will be used in night times. These shades have some values to increase and decrease the intensity of the light. So this light gives some shadows and which makes the realistic view to the image. And we have some exterior materials like people walking, cars, vegetations like plants and trees. This gives the realistic view to the viewers. To learn more about 3ds Max, visit Cadd Centre Sarjapur Road at below shown address. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon. Scan here for WhatsApp chat with our counselor to book your slot. Thank you.